Hey guys, this is Gerald. Just want to go ahead and do a video real fast, and I want to talk about a concept called reverse wholesaling. Reverse wholesaling. Many of you are familiar with traditional wholesaling. That's where you go ahead and you find a motivated seller who was looking to go ahead and sell you the property at a discount. You get the property under contract. You turn around, you go find a cash buyer for the deal. You wholesale that property to the cash buyer. Cash buyer closes the property. You make a wholesale assignment fee on the property, right? That is traditional wholesaling. Well, instead, reverse it. Reverse wholesaling is, as opposed to dealing with the seller, now you're just dealing with the buyer, okay? You're going out and you're finding buyers and you're pre-qualifying buyers, okay? You're asking them specific questions. You know, you're looking for 3-bedroom, 2 baths, 4-bedroom, 2 baths, what area of town, how quickly are you able to close? And lots of times these cash buyers will already volunteer this information already. You know, the issue that they're having is they're having an issue finding actual deals. So what you do is you go ahead, you go out and you find a bunch of cash buyers, right? And then you pre-qualify them just to see if they're tire kickers, if they're real, if they're serious. A great way to find some actual cash buyers. I went ahead and I posted a response to a question that was in the Facebook group. And the question was, you know, what do I do? You know, I'm fairly new. You know, I'm going to a real estate investor event. And my response really, and actually is right on target, because all of you across the country can use this. You go out and you find an actual deal from another wholesaler, okay? An actual deal with equity. You JV, joint venture, with that wholesaler. So now you all have this particular property where you get to go ahead and market this property. You take this property, print it off with your information, take it down to your local real estate investing event, the local real estate investment club, right? You let all of them know this is the deal that you have, that you need to sell. When it's an actual deal, you will get a line, you will get a ton of cash buyers wanting to give you information. Just be yourself, relax, get all their contact information, get their cards, the phone numbers, etc., email addresses, everything. And as you're talking to them, develop relationships with them, okay? You don't need a ton of them. You don't, contrary to what people think, you don't need a big buyers list. You need 5 to 7, you need about 5 cash buyers, serious cash buyers who want 15 to 20 properties a year, okay? And so when you're out there, just be yourself. Just be yourself at the local real estate investment club. Just be who you are. And you will, as long as you got a deal. See, the thing about real estate is finding the money is easy. The difficulty is finding the actual deal. And so once you have an actual deal, cash buyers will find you, okay? So that's a great way to find some cash buyers. So basically reverse wholesaling, all it is as opposed to dealing with the seller, now you're just dealing with a bunch of buyers. Now all you got to do, once you pre-qualify them, cool, go get a deal. You're not even dealing with the sellers. Now you're just dealing with wholesalers who actually have deals. Deal with ones who actually have deals. So get good at values, comps, that type of thing. See what your cash buyers, what zip codes are they buying in? 3-bedroom, 2 bath, okay. You want 4-bedroom, 2, okay. You want, you know, some of them will say duplexes. They'll buy duplexes. They'll buy triplexes. They'll buy whatever it is. You're pretty much, and so you're taking their order, kind of, right? As you begin to develop a relationship and trust with them, you will begin to see that your cash buyer list is serious. And like I said, you need about 5. So as opposed to, so let's say, for instance, you go ahead, you place an ad in Craigslist or something like that, right? And as you're filtering through people and you're posting ads in local groups on Facebook, that type of thing, don't say you have 100 cash buyers. I have 5 cash buyers that are looking to buy 16 deals by April 23rd. In this zip code. The more specific you get, the bigger the response. I'm telling you, you do something like that and get specific, people are like, wait a minute, I don't have anything in this zip code, but I have something over here. Oh, okay. So now you got a great deal over here. So let's go find a cash buyer for that, wherever that is over there. You know what I mean? So reverse wholesaling is nothing more than just dealing with the buyer. Okay. Many of you may be hung up and frustrated at dealing with sellers. Go deal with buyers. And what you do is JV, joint venture the deal with the wholesaler who has the contract with the seller. You know, it's nothing more than like in real estate, you got a buyer's agent, you got a seller's agent. One represents the buyer, other represents the seller. You in reverse wholesaling, you just represent the buyer. The other person represents the seller. You all close the deal. Have a nice day. Right? Reverse wholesaling is a beautiful concept, man. Below this video, I'm going to have, it's a link to an ebook and some more resources. You know me, some more videos, some more information about this reverse wholesaling concept. Let me know. Also, I'm going to post this in the Facebook group. Let me know if you all want more information regarding this reverse wholesaling concept. I can break this down even further, okay? This is Gerald. You all have a good day. If you found some value in this video, please click the like button. Also, share it. And feel free to subscribe. You all have a good weekend. Take care. Bye.